Welcome to Sanyou London Private Limited, where our mission is to shape a sustainable net zero energy future with our innovative vacuum insulation energy technologies. It is located in the heart of central London, Canary Wharf. It's led by Professor Saim Memon, CEO and Industrial Professor of Renewable Energy Engineering. Building on his extensive experience and achievements, Professor Saim aims to unify academic research and development, industrial manufacturing, and product distribution in the global market. In successful partnership with the world's esteemed manufacturer and leader in vacuum insulation technologies, Jiangsu Sanyou Dior, energy-saving new materials. Together we celebrate the UK-China collaboration, uniting in research and innovation to bring superior vacuum insulation, energy-efficient technologies to the world. Welcome to Department of Industrial Research and Development in Vacuum Insulation Energy Technologies. The mass manufacturing facility for vacuum insulation energy technologies. Equipped with state-of-the-art vacuum insulation panel, VIP machines, our facility boasts the largest evacuation chamber with an estimated annual output of 2.5 million square meters, bringing highest standards of quality. Industry standard measurement and validation facility for thermal conductivity and internal vacuum pressure. Our facility is equipped with industry-standard tools for precise measurement and validation of thermal conductivity with comprehensive inspection processes and our patented technique of internal vacuum pressure measurement. Specialized research laboratory for electrical and thermal performance of vacuum insulation and renewable energy technologies. Our laboratory specializes with ISO 9869 standard Uvalue instrument, remote temperature sensors, sound measurement devices, electronic circuit board soldering facilities, and an array of tools for sample design and craftsmanship, and various IP-protected equipment. On-site real-time performance houses facility for experimental dynamic energy, thermal and sound insulation performance analysis. Our on-site experimental facility features two identical houses, House A and House B, constructed to facilitate groundbreaking research into energy consumption, sound insulation, and thermal performance in dynamic cold, arid, and hot arid environments. Intellectual property patents protection. Our vacuum insulation energy technologies, such as our products for sales, are patented and is the intellectual property of Sanyou with our certification of ISO 9001. Consultancy and collaboration in implementing vacuum insulation energy technologies. We are committed to fostering partnerships and consultancy opportunities worldwide to facilitate the practical implementation of our vacuum insulation energy technologies. By collaborating with industry leaders and stakeholders, we aim to drive widespread adoption and maximize the impact of our innovative solutions. With a strategic focus on the building and construction sector, we are at the forefront of enabling the realization of net zero energy buildings. Our groundbreaking advancements from innovative idea to technology readiness level 9, applied industrial research translated into tangible and innovative products. A few examples are vacuum insulated wallpaper VIW, decorative integrated vacuum insulation panel, vacuum insulation panel VIP with flexible design options. Vacuum insulated bagger box VIBB that consists of medical box, deep cold box, rolling cart cover, and fresh bag. Our realistic implementation of sustainable development goals are in the categories of affordable and clean energy, industry innovation and infrastructure, sustainable cities and communities, climate action, and partnerships for the goals. It also serves as an inspiration for new solutions, as demonstrated by the extensive case studies highlighted earlier. Contact Professor Saim Memon or customer service team for more information, price quotation, and/or discussing your requirements. You can discover our vacuum insulation energy products, FAQs, and specifications by visiting our website sanyoulondon.com.